Everyone, myself Prachi. I'm from BSc Chemistry on a final year. Today I will do the experiment to verify the Lambert Pierce law by using Kmno4 solution.
Requirements are 2 burettes, 5 to 7 test tubes, conical flask, and calorimeter. We will prepare the solution of Kmno4 into 50 ml of water. And stir it with glass rod. We will fill the first burette with the solution of Kmno4 till the mark. And second burette with distilled water. We will take first test tube and take 1 ml of Kmno4 in it. And 9 ml of distilled water. Our first test tube is ready. Now we will take second test tube. We will take 2 ml of Kmno4 in this test tube and 8 ml of distilled water. Our second test tube is ready. Now we will take third test tube. We will take 3 ml Kmno4 in it and 7 ml of distilled water. Our third test tube is ready. Now we will take a fourth test tube and take 4 ml of Kmno4 in it. And 6 ml of distilled water. Our fourth test tube is ready. Now we will take our fifth test tube. We will take 5 ml of Kmno4 in it. And 5 ml of distilled water. Fifth test tube is ready. Now we will take another test tube. We will take 6 ml of Kmno4. And 4 ml of distilled water. Now we will take a known amount of Kmno4 and a known amount of water in it, and our 7 test tube is ready. We will fill the cupid tube with distilled water and clean it with the paper and calibrate the calorimeter at 40 nanometer. We will take our first test tube and fill the cupid tube with it and put the cupid tube in the calorimeter and set at 40 nanometer, and the value comes out is 0.03. We will take our second test tube and fill the cupid tube with this solution and put it in the calorimeter and set the calorimeter at 42 nanometer and note down the value, which comes out approximately 0.26. Now we will take our third test tube and fill the cupid tube with the solution and put it in the calorimeter. Set the calorimeter at 48 nanometer and its value comes out to be approximately 0.44. Now we will fill the cupid tube with the solution of fourth test tube and put it in the calorimeter and note down its value and set the calorimeter at 50, whose value comes out to be 0.66 approximately. We will take our sixth test tube, fill the cupid and note down its value after setting the calorimeter at 53. Its value comes out of 1.33 approximately. We will take our sixth test tube and fill the cupid tube with the solution in it and put it in the calorimeter and set the calorimeter at 62 and note down its value, which is 0.18. Now we take our last test tube and fill the cupid tube with the solution in it and put it in the calorimeter and note down its value and set the calorimeter at 62 and note down its value, which is approximately 0.09. This is observation table 1 and this is the graph of this table. This is observation table 2 and this is the graph of observation table 2.